Hi everyone. You have deleted some important bookmarks in Google Chrome, and now you are looking for a way to get them back. It isn't that easy to get back the saved bookmark in Chrome. But we have a solution that you can use to recover all of your deleted bookmarks in Chrome. This trick is quite easy to enact. All the deleted bookmarks are stored in the local app.a folder on your computer. So, you can get back the deleted bookmark from there. Press Windows plus R, then type %localapp.a%. Click OK. Once you have opened up the folder, go to this point. Here you can view many files and folders related to your Google Chrome components. Look for these two files. Bookmarks. bookmarks.bak. Now, select these two components and press the Ctrl+C keys together to copy them at once. Now, minimize the default folder. Go to any secure folder you prefer like Documents, and paste those components there. Now, come back to the default folder. There, right-click the bookmarks and click the rename icon to rename it. Rename it as bookmarks.old. Following the same way, right-click the bookmarks.bak and tap the rename icon again to rename it. Name this item as bookmarks. If you change a file name extension, the file might become unstable. Are you sure you want to change it? Tap Yes to rename. Close the File Explorer after doing this. Now, just close the Google Chrome browser and relaunch it. Almost all the bookmarks will come back to Chrome. Sometimes you may not get all the old, deleted bookmarks in Chrome. As Google Chrome keeps getting regular updates, some old bookmarks may not be compatible. So if you have some very old bookmarks, you may not get them at all.